I did not go for BBL. Like others did BBLs.
Brigadier, do you want to explain what the relevance of that is? When you say that at least you were using that and not and didn't go for BBL, what is the relevance of that before this commission?
Yeah, I'm just explaining because I was told that Ozempic will go hand in hand with BBL. And those that I'm seeing at work who did the BBL, they also use Ozempic. So for me, from my boyfriend, I only ask for Ozempic. Unlike those that ask for BBL.
I've just been cautioned by Commissioner Kumalo not to mention what BBL stands for.
Yes.
In fairness, Chair, the Brazilian butt lift, for those who don't know, if we're mentioning all of these names, let's mention all of these medical terms. I suppose my difficulty, Brigadier, is that you seem to be wanting to imply something to the Commission, or I might be reading into what you're saying. Because you're saying, I only asked my boyfriend for Ozempic, while others have asked for BBLs. Can you be direct with this commission, whether you're trying to tell us something or nothing at all, and then we can move past the BBL part of it?
No, I'm just talking about Ozempic and BBL.
Is BBL too expensive, perhaps? So what you are saying is you ask for something that costs only 4,500 rand for 3.
I think if I will have asked him for BBL, he was going to finance it. I don't think he will have a problem in financing the BBL.
But is it more expensive than the Ozempic?
Commissioner, you must budget around 70,000, 80,000 for BBL.
All right. Now I get the significance of the distinction you are seeking to draw. All right.
Brigadier, is Chair right that the distinction you're seeking to draw is that you are asking for something cheap? Okay. Or affordable, rather, let me not say.
Have you ever personally paid for cosmetic procedures, namely a BBL, a Brazilian butt lift, right? For a senior member within South African Police Service?
No.
You've never paid?
No.
Okay.
Somebody spoke about the BBL. And I know Commissioner Kumalo was also asking questions about the BBL. She reported to me she could not sit in the car. She was lying in the car because she had to spend over 3 months without sitting.
Who's she?
General Sibiya. Now, I'm just saying there's a whole lot of things that one must talk to as we go along. It's a law.
Please play the clip.
Yeah.
Under the guise of this task team.
Nathi sikhona lapha siyaphandwa lapha siyaphenya la.
Yeah, what I said that. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi eNatali, I'm sure we're busy because this is where these things are cooked. What I find embarrassing, and when I talk to people, sometimes you are complicit to crime being committed.
Yeah.
Which are complicit because constable warrant, captain, colonel, but lucky. So at some point there was an internet buyer late, they relate. Yeah, cool food. So
and we are not suspect that we tate imali.
I would suspect uye lo NPA etuthatha imali, but
Ngithumela uShabalala.
manje into engayi-understand ne ukuthi abakhuluma like abakhuluma ngathi benza into ezi-right, like just mina kuthi general ngafunda ukuthi uba yisilima kuyanceda yabona, ngoba mawusuka ubabonisa ukuthi uyabona kula wenza khona izitha, so rather abacabanga ukuthi uhleli la, abacabanga ukuthi uhleli khona, but it's the same young Khumalo uyo busy. I asked him the other day, ngimbonise ngathi ufuna nona la, bathi ngimkuthathe ngathi ungacishe ngawo, cishe ngathi hawu, so umkhwanazi ukuthumele ngala.
Ugijima ngami lo.
So uthunyiwe, because trust me, at some point he was his driver, ne? Mara ukuthi nje yela ungambona ufana no Lucky. At some point I can't remember wathi no ngathi bayahlobana. Yabona, so I understand ukuthi le team wayengakhona ukuma sorry, but it is because khona udoti nje abawupushayo that I can tell you, because yini into enzima. That's why ngithi that tomorrow sibize ukuthi ama-docket, if I say court, there's no need for a team ukuthi hlala yenzani. If case ya court niyabizwa niyasapuna nama-witnesses, you understand, niya on that day, hayi ukuthi kumele nihlale ngathi nilinde.
I think uconsultant no Lucky wathi no ama-docket wamalethela kini.
But akakwazi. Angisho kune-instruction general
Ukuthi aye kuwe.
Yes.
Yebo.
So which is why ngithi mina yabona ukuthi without ukuthi siveze ukuthi mina ngime kuphi, asiyenza ofta ukona usibize nje uthi hayi na instruction general sinthumule, give me feedback. Yebo?
Yeah, ngizombiza, but angithi uzongitshala nje akunikeza i-excuse ukuthi akekho local. Or ukuphi angithi ubonile ukuthi yena siya-attenda, wonke umuntu uyattenda yena akaveli yena.
Ufonile nje ubaletha ama-dockets ngathi mina sonke bathi size college onubuku wathi yena hayi uke uhlale ofisini. Ngathi mina hey bomnandi bawe ngoba wena uvunyelwe, uyabona?
Yena ubusy, uyazi ngokutshela babusy bagijima ngami left right and center, hot monitoring. Basizama amafoni wami ngapha nangapha ngiyathola konke lokho, yabo.
But into ebuhlungu general ne ukuthi umgodi mina ngafunda ukuthi umgodi mawugubha akungeni lo mgubhela ungena wena.
Iproblem ukuthi ngihlala nomphathi wami ungathi akazi lutho kodwa uyazokungiya. Ngicela ukuphendula lokho lengenayo tu.
Okay General, mina tekele sharp general.
Thank you very much, Commissioners. When she says Umene Tekela, she's actually saying, referring to the National Commission, and say the National Commissioner Imene. I do have another recording, but I don't think it's necessary to play it because it has got also another language used by her. But it's a recording. If the commissioners want to have it, it's available to have it. So I just wanted to show that one moment she was saying, when she speaks about General Mkhwanazi, she says, Ushamas, we bambishisa, wenza so. In the meantime, on the other hand, this is the language that she speaks to me as we speak. So, and the reason why I recorded something that led to this is that the National Commissioner gave me information about what she said about me. And she said, you can go ask her. And then in going to confront her, I realized that if I were to go confront her, she might come back and say, I came to threaten her, I did this and I did that. And so I realized that that might be dangerous. So I went straight home. When I'm at home, because the National Commission said, you can ask her. She was sitting here where you are sitting in a private jet and said she was sitting there and she said 1, 2, 3. So as a result of that, I called her, but I chose to make sure that at least let me record the conversation so that tomorrow, even when she makes allegations, I'm protected.